This is a helicopter landing. You see front of me helicopter landing. I give you a one little bit video, 1 minute, 2 minutes. This is a city of Iskardu. I am in the fort of Kharpocho, uh, front of the fort of Kharpocho. My visit is complete here. I come back for my house. I see in front of me uh, all city of Iskardu. This is very beautiful, day by day develop. You see, this is a big mosque of Iskardu, Jama Masjid. Friday everybody from this city pray here, Namaz Juma. Okay, you see all city from end of this right side at the front of me, bottom of this top mountain, at the top bottom of the that mountain, left side end of this city. You see, this is a bridge of Shigar, Iskardu to Shigar. Connect with this bridge. I think this video is complete, little bit small video for you all guys. Inshallah, I hope everybody understand, like and subscribe my this channel. Thank you.